I don't feel that fast.
Yeah, so I like to point to where you want to go.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so do you want to go down here on this road?
Yeah, right. That's where I wanted to go.
Go.
That's so fast.
So this is a Tesla P...
Oh, that's the P100D.
This is a Tesla P100D.
It even tastes bulletproof.
Believe it or not, like Mitchell said, this car is bulletproof. Fully bulletproof. Can you confirm that?
I can confirm it, 100% bulletproof.
So hopefully you guys remember Mark. We did our bulletproof glass video with him. He provided us with the glass, we shot it, no bullets went through, it was awesome. Their company Armormax, they bulletproof cars for clients, and this is their latest creation and is unconfirmed the fastest bulletproof car in the world.
To our knowledge, it's the fastest bulletproof car in the world.
And a lot of you will say that, well, if you bulletproof it, it's going to add a lot of weight to it and it's going to be a lot slower, but how much weight did you add?
So we added under 550 pounds. This is a fully armored Tesla, and we love the
like
software.
handguns, rifles, everything.
Handgun rifles, yep. Bomb protection, bomb blast, everything. So this
and
has,
run flats.
And run flats, yep. So pretty much everything. So we love the software updates from Tesla because we have ludicrous mode and other things to make this car even go faster. So really, performance-wise, the armor doesn't impact that at all. So still able to maintain the speeds that the clients like.
Just adding one extra American male into the back seat, 550 pounds.
The glass on this is much thicker than what you typically would have. And that can stop rifles. Even looking inside, everything just looks normal.
Notice from the inside is there's no glass roof right now.
Not yet. On the next model though, yes, right?
That's what we're planning on, yep.
Are you ready, Mitchell?
No, you can never be ready for that.
Okay, 3, 2. So unfortunately we couldn't get the bulletproof Tesla in here. See, there's no Tesla here. But they were kind enough to give us a plate of AR500. This is armor plating that they use on some of their cars, and we are going to make something.
Make something useful this time, a giveaway.
But first we gotta cut a test piece. Test piece.
There we go. That's our Tesla keychain.
In order to test if this is a good bottle opener, the best way is to try and open the bottle with a piece of paper and then open a bottle with this. If this does it better than the paper, then it's a good bottle opener. Is that how that works?
Yeah, that's good science. I feel like I heard a fizz.
There we go.
So just because you can do something doesn't mean it's a good idea.
So by that test, like a screwdriver is a better bottle opener.
Yeah, my teeth would probably be better than a piece of paper.
And
Too easy.
And now that we got a working prototype, it's time to step it up to mass production. And I think you guys get the point. It's going to take a long time to cut all of those out, so we won't show all of that. So how many bulletproof Teslas are we giving away?
Essentially 12, right?
So we couldn't give them to give us any bulletproof Teslas, so we made bulletproof Tesla bottle openers. And this is the perfect accessory to go with your bulletproof Tesla. So now we're going to give away 12 of these, and all you have to do is just buy your own bulletproof Tesla, and then you'll have the full package. And that's like, those are like cheap, right?
Yeah, I mean, Depends on who you are, but yeah, chump change. Depends on who the chump is.
So down in the description, we'll have a link. You click on that, you find out how you need to enter so that you can win a Bulletproof Tesla keychain bottle opener / lifesaver. And then you can get your own Tesla and you'll be set.
This one works too, just tested it.
Okay.
Sized waistband cotton gusset. You don't need underpants with it. It is full control. Tummy control, butt lift, control down over your thigh, but that sexy leg to go along with it.
So our lick test approved t-shirts are still available and still looking super fresh. And how many things have you lick tested so far? Do it.
Yep, it tangs.
Are these shirts lick test verified?
Do you want to verify my shirt or your shirt?
Let's start with yours.
Yep, that's a shirt.
Mine now.
I'm starting low.
So all of our shirts come lick test approved, you just witnessed that, and these shirts will only be available until March 4th. After that, this design will no longer be available. So if you want it, click down in the description, there's a link there, order that shirt right now. It'll be a limited, super rare shirt in like a year, probably.
It'll be worth so much.
You'll be seeing these going on eBay for like thousands of dollars in like a month, so get yours now.